And we are back with another video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Why?
Because we're Twinningit, help to get catchy.
You start saying it.
Remember turning on notifications so you won't miss another
another
video. So today is a review day. So today we were sent 3 different items. So this is vitamin C, and the company is called FORMYSELF.
And here is eyelash and eyebrow grower serum. And here is teeth whitening pen. I don't know if you guys can see that very clearly. I'm gonna take the light off a little bit. But yeah, really cute products.
I actually really like their name. Yeah, for yourself, because sometimes you want to do a little bit something for yourself. Especially like, you know, being a mom, or if you work a lot, you want to just have a break just to relax and just do something for yourself. So I think the name is really catchy. It's just new and edgy. Yeah. So this one is their vitamin C. It claims to repair dark spots, smooth out fine wrinkles, just for like youth wise, just keeping your skin nice and youth and healthy looking.
Yeah, you guys know I always tell you guys about my little scars, but look, I got like a wrinkle right here. So let's see.
And I think they're based in California, made in China, based in California. Okay, so let me go ahead and just open up this package.
Opening it up.
And then I like, so on here, it lasts for 12 months. Once it's open, it's animal cruelty. You can also recycle it. That's amazing. Yep, for the environment.
Good for the environment. So you actually, before using this product, it recommends that you use a patch, or test it out on your skin, a little patch, to make sure you don't get any like
allergic reaction to it,
or you have sensitive skin. That's very important.
And it says for you to wash it off and then wait 24 hours to see if there's a reaction. Then you can reuse it.
Go ahead and use the product.
But we're not going to do that.
We're going to skip that.
We're going to skip it.
And it does say that wash your face really good, and then pat dry your skin. So we've already done that off camera.
Yeah. So let's go ahead and see what this is about.
What does it smell like?
Yeah. Because I'm all about smelling things, you guys. Y'all know. Doesn't smell bad.
It doesn't smell bad. But I can't really name what it smells like.
Yeah. It does have a smell, but I don't really know what that smells like. So do you want to test it on my skin? This is made in China.
It's like, that's a little thick, huh?
Yeah, she thick.
She thick. All right. Because I know that I don't have sensitive skin, so I'm just going to apply it.
It's really smooth and soft and silky. Let's go ahead and try it underneath you.
Thick. It said isn't it only just for like black scarring?
And dark spots.
Oh,
dark spots. I'm putting them underneath my eyes a bit.
I'm just going to put on my problem area. And make sure you clean your hands really well. Before putting this product on your skin.
So it's nighttime, so this could really be great for like a nighttime routine.
Yeah, because it does say something about, is it with acid? Right. Yeah, it has a little bit of acid toning, so I don't know if it's going to be,
it has a toner in it.
Yeah, it has a little bit of toner in it. So I'm just going to do it on my cheeks, because this is like my problem area when it comes to like little dark spots.
And you know what? And lately, my skin's been looking really great. I don't know if it's because I get all those Boxy and Ipsy skincare items, and I'm using those most.
I will say that just applying this, it kind of has like a little sting to it.
Oh, a sting in you?
Yeah.
I don't have a sting.
You don't have a sting? Right here.
No, because
maybe I got a cut
have a little cut there.
So if you have a cut on your face,
like acne scar,
it's gonna burn a little bit.
Maybe it got irritated.
Got a little irritated, but it's
not
fine.
really sure if I'm supposed to wash it off or keep it on. Just a moment while I look. We're back. Okay, so you don't wash this off. You can
you just leave it on.
You can leave it on. Let sleep through it. You can also put it on during the
daytime. You
after
put your
makeup.
Yeah, you can put your makeup over it as well, which is good. So
yeah, so I like that. So
yeah,
it feels great. Makes my skin feel really good. But we did, like we said, you clean your face before we
really good, and then put it on.
Yeah, so it feels really good.
But they
and it gives it like a nice sheen too.
Yeah, and they say you can apply it all over and then your neck area as well, which is good.
Yeah, so it's gone.
So this is the serum. It's vitamin C. Really great product. Let's see how much it's going for.
Right now, this one is going for $13.95. That's good. Really good.
It's not bad, and it's like this is a decent size.
That's a really good size.
Like good size. And it's got like
yes, that actually works. Okay, let's go on to the next one.
Eyebrow. Alrighty, so here's the next item
for your eyelashes.
For myself, and this is like for your eyebrows and your lashes, and it helps grow your eyebrows and your eyelashes long and thick.
We like things thick.
Everyone knows that I love like thick eyebrows and all that jazz.
Oh, and it has 7 milliliters in them.
No.
So look.
It's pretty. Not expecting it to look like that.
It looks a little bit runny.
It's gonna be a good product.
Okay. And you know what? I'm living for this gold.
That's what I'm saying. It's cute.
It's really cute. And it's castor oil for growing brows for myself. So that's what this one is for.
Everyone knows that castor oil will grow your hair out.
And this one is for lashes and brows. So this one is you can use for your brows and your lashes, and this one is just only strictly for your lashes. So that is amazing. That is really, really cool.
I like
so
that.
I'm gonna put it on sis.
You gonna put it on?
I'm gonna put it on you.
Okay. So this is my problem area, you guys. Look how thin this is. Look. Like, for some reason, this doesn't grow that thick. I know they both look pretty not so thick, but...
And also, you guys, she's going to be adding this to her new routine. So if you guys comment down below and want an update, because this is not going to... We just got it today. I mean, we can't tell if it's going to help your eyebrows grow.
We will probably do, like, maybe more of an update on this product. But I'm excited.
So if you guys want to see that, comment down below. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. And join the Twinningit family, okay? How does that feel?
It doesn't feel like anything. It doesn't feel like it's just... Say what?
So I'm just applying it on her brows.
Yeah, get where that thin part at.
I know.
You know what? And this is from, my eyebrows are from
over tweezing.
Tweezing when I was like young, and I didn't know that this was gonna affect me for all my life. So hopefully my eyebrows will grow, like, seriously, because it's rough. And make sure you guys are following us on our
Instagram.
Our Instagram. See how thin this is? Oh my god.
I'm gonna probably massage it in.
Yeah. I'm just gonna rub. I mean, I don't want eyebrows like this, but at least grow in good,
Yeah.
So let's see. Let me do the other side for you? Or no?
No.
You don't want to do the lashes?
Because we're going to do that other thing with the lashes.
Oh, yeah. We have another video coming up for you guys. We're going to be doing
individual lashes.
So stay tuned for that.
So we'll be using that today.
So we won't be using that today. And you know what? It doesn't feel like anything. It doesn't feel like doesn't feel sticky. It does not feel like oily or anything like that.
Yeah, so I think that was
we're gonna have to do a update on this because like
please get this video up to at
if
least
I can get my
likes.
eyebrows to be thick, like
yes, it's all about thick
I'll
brows.
never ever pluck you guys again. This is cool.
That is the toothbrush.
This is the toothbrush for forgot to show you guys, but it's like teeth. Oh yeah, I did.
So this is teeth whitening pen. Make a Hollywood smile in a few steps.
Yeah. Hollywood. No,
that's cute though.
But yeah, I'm excited. Let's see.
It says clean your teeth with a napkin.
To dry it.
Clean your teeth with a dry napkin. Turn bottle of the pen until the gel appears on the tip of the brush.
One more thing in here.
Oh,
they gave us two.
This is a whitening one, and what is that?
This one is.
So we each get to have one. Oh, this is so awesome.
Whitening. Yeah. Oh.
So yay.
So they were thinking about us.
They're thinking about us.
Awesome.
Apply this in a thin layer on the gel of the teeth. Okay, so you're gonna try not to touch your gums. And then you're gonna, oh my gosh. You have to stop for 60 seconds.
And so you're gonna have to stop for 60 seconds.
Yes.
Can we talk like that?
And then rinse really well. Should we try to do that on the channel?
Yeah, let's do it.
We're gonna try it. Okay, so
did they say anything about
They said that, but you should see improvement within 7 days. So that's what I was saying. If you guys want to see like
update on the
comment down below.
Just like comment down like black hearts because that's like my favorite.
She's like her favorite emoji right now.
Yeah, that's the black hearts. So
we both got our own. So it says to
because we twinning it.
Twist it until you see the gel. Should I point down?
No, I don't think so. I'm gonna try it right now.
Yeah, you got teeth. It's gotta be dry. So don't get it on your gum.
So we're gonna do this for 50 seconds. Are you gonna try that? We're like in 60 seconds. It didn't know. It's just like trying to like color. We're gonna rip it out and it'll come back to you. So we got that done. I do feel like it's a little bit.
And you know what? They feel like real smooth. I don't know if it's because we brushed first.
It's smoother.
Yeah, it's so smooth.
And it's
I
like.
just want to keep doing it.
Yeah. Well, this is like pretty like legit stuff.
Yeah, this was amazing. And it did come with a toothbrush.
But we just used our own.
We just used our regular toothbrush.
Yeah. But it's a nice gesture though.
Yeah.
So wedding
good for the environment.
That's very true.
Great for the environment.
So yeah, so these are the items that we did receive. The teeth whitening pens. We got 2 of them, so which is awesome for you, everyone that if they do purchase this.
At least you guys get 2 of them.
At least you get 2, and then the price on this one would be, because we told you guys that the other one this was $13.95.
Okay, so for the teeth whitening, it's $19.95 on their site.
I think it's really worth it because you're getting 2 products.
Yeah.
Like, it's worth it.
Let me give you guys a little bit of right there.
Yeah. So I think it's really worth it for
$19.95 for the, and then you
get 2 of them and a toothbrush.
So which is awesome. And then the vitamin C is $13.95.
Yeah.
And then the brow gel is $16.95.
And they're not, and I like the fact these are good sizes, you guys.
Yeah, they're not like no little sample size. So I thought that was awesome.
This is
really
awesome.
Wasn't expecting that.